We'll guide you through how to import sound files into GarageBand iOS on an iPhone or iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, but you can do this on an iPad as well. So you've got some sound files or audio files you want to go and use in GarageBand. We're going to guide you through getting them in there. So what you need to do is make sure these files are on the device. So you could go and download them from a drive or some type of website. Of course, make sure you've got the permissions and licensing to use it. You could airdrop it over. Just make sure that you've got it in the Files app. So it may be some type of recording or whatever you've got. So I can find in Recents, but you can press Browse and locate it in here as well. After you've gone and got it, what you then want to do is you want to go and find GarageBand. I'm going to tap on it, and here we are. It's opened up. Let's go and press plus in the top right. At the top, you need to go and press Tracks and swipe across and you can find it. And you want to go and press Audio Recorder, like so. Now this is loading. What you want to do is you want to come to the top left and you want to go and find those broken bars. And you want to go and tap there like so. Then what you can do is you want to come to the top right. There you're going to find the loop icon, which you want to tap. At the top, press Files. Now you can go down and press Browse Items from the Files app, and you can go and locate the sound file or audio file you want to do this with. Find your Recents or press Browse and you can find it in there. So in this case, it's this one here for me. So I'm going to go and tap on it. This is an M4A, but you could do this with other types of files as well. You can then scroll down and go and find it. And what you can then do is tap and hold on it, just drag it a little bit. And here it is. You can then release it and there it is. You can tap on it and go and trim it, and you can go and start using it in GarageBand.